Welcome to Let's Talk. Today, we're diving straight into the brutal truth. The rich get richer while the poor get poorer. And the reality behind it is hard to ignore. The system is rigged in favor of those who already have wealth. If you're ready to face this truth, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments as we break this down. Let's start with the hard truth. Money breeds more money. The rich have access to tools, networks, and opportunities that allow them to invest and multiply their wealth, while the poor are stuck with what they have and struggle to make ends meet. It isn't about laziness or lack of talent. It's about the leverage that wealth creates. When you have money, you can invest in education, businesses, and even take risks that can yield high rewards. Without that capital, every small setback can be catastrophic. Consider this. While millions of dollars flow into the stock market every day from wealthy investors, many individuals can't afford to put a single dollar into a diversified portfolio. Rich investors benefit from compound interest, tax advantages, and exclusive deals that are out of reach for most. This isn't just theory. It's happening every day. For example, think about how billionaires use tax loopholes to protect their wealth, whereas everyday people end up paying higher taxes relative to their income. This inequality isn't accidental. It's built into the economic system. Now, let's talk about the cycle of opportunity. When you're born into wealth, you inherit not only money but also education, social connections, and a mindset geared toward success. On the other hand, those born into poverty often lack these resources. Even when they work hard, the odds are stacked against them. The education system in many countries is designed in a way that favors the already privileged, giving rich kids access to better schools, tutors, and extracurricular opportunities. This creates a self-perpetuating cycle, where the rich continue to thrive while the poor are left behind. If you're watching this and feel frustrated, comment below with your thoughts. It's important to acknowledge that while the system is flawed, understanding it is the first step to changing your own path. Share this video with someone who needs to hear this message. Let's break down the main factors. First, access to capital. Money isn't just for spending. It's for investing. Whether it's in real estate, stocks, or starting a business. Having access to capital allows the wealthy to take calculated risks and reap exponential rewards. For most poor individuals, even saving enough money to invest can feel impossible because of the daily challenges they face. Second, networks and connections. The rich often know other rich people, and these connections open doors to exclusive opportunities. Whether it's job offers, investment opportunities, or insider information, these networks give them a significant advantage. For instance, consider how many times you hear about successful startups being funded by venture capitalists who have been in the game for decades. It's not just about having a good idea. It's about having the right connections. Third, financial education. Wealthy individuals often grow up with a basic understanding of how money works. They know the difference between assets and liabilities and how to make money work for them. In contrast, many people from lower income backgrounds are never taught how to manage money effectively, leaving them vulnerable to debt and financial crises. This isn't about blaming individuals. It's about recognizing that education about money is not equally distributed. Now, I want you to think about your own life. Are there ways you could learn more about how money works? What resources can you tap into to educate yourself and build your network? Leave a comment with one step you're going to take today to change your financial future. This is your challenge. Take control of your own economic destiny. Let's move on to the role of government and policies. Many policies are designed to protect the wealthy. Tax breaks for corporations, subsidies for the rich, and laws that favor big business all contribute to the widening wealth gap. The narrative is clear. The more you have, the more you get, but knowing this should not discourage you. Instead, it should fuel your determination to understand and work within or around these systems to create your own opportunities. Remember, understanding these systems gives you the power to break the cycle, even if the system is stacked against you. Learning its rules allows you to find leverage points that can change your circumstances. Look for opportunities in areas that others have overlooked. Educate yourself, build relationships, and never settle for the status quo. Before we wrap up, I want to leave you with this final challenge. Take one concrete step today to learn more about managing and growing your wealth, whether it's reading a book on financial literacy, finding a mentor, or simply setting up a plan to start investing. Even small amounts matter. Write down your action plan in the comments. Share it with a friend. And commit to making progress every day. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below. Stay engaged and remember, the truth is tough but necessary. It's time to take control and build the future you deserve. Let's talk again soon, and until then, keep pushing forward.